This is the device. Came with 2 batteries. I am happy with it. Each charging station is labeled charging 1, charging 2, and a corresponding light to tell you which one is fully charged. I found that the batteries, the aftermarket batteries, at least this one, they don't last as long as the original batteries. I guess that's to be expected. However, they are lifesavers. The connector is a micro USB, not a USB-C, which is fine. Without the batteries in, it will obviously assume whatever's in here is not taking any charge, so it will illuminate green. Once you put them in, if one of them needs to be charged, it will turn red. So right now it's saying that this one is full, that one's not. If we switch them around, now this one should be red. So it's working fine. Oh, no, it's fully charged. I guess that's fine. Let's try these ones. Now that's saying that one's not full. Let's switch them around. And now the light is red on this side. I like this product, very satisfied with it. When I start doing professional work or out in the field for a long time, I probably will need more batteries anyways. But I'm very happy with this. I hope this helps somebody. Take care.